So we're going to get on next to Shinob Kibe here, get a shot of Washington. This trail's down below here. Hey, good morning. This is Dad Random. I want to do a quick flight. Today, it is Friday. I have equipped the Mavic 3, as you can see, with Master Airscrew stealth props. I put this on every single one of my large birds. So we're going to fly today with the stealth props, do a little bit of a scenic flight, and I hope you enjoy it. All right. All right, just waiting for the bird to boot up. Today is a perfect day to fly. You always know you have a great day when you see weather, either weather come in to a certain degree. Also, if you see balloons. So in the last 2 days, there have been balloons. So we're going to go ahead and take off. 95% to start. Check complete. We just put new props on, so we have to spin up. Looks good. Always double check on a. And we are up. Go ahead and start our video. And all right, here we go. Dad Random. We're going for scenery today. It is beautiful out this morning, except the air is calm, and my focal point today, get over this industrial area here, will be Shinob Kibe. It's been a focal point of many of my videos. Get recording. So we're into 70 millimeter. So we're just going to reach out and touch Shinob Kibe today. Everything in 70 millimeter looks so much slower. And the Mavic 3 can easily hit this target. So hope I have enough battery on my hope I have enough battery on the Pocket 2 there. But if you notice, we don't have to put much altitude on the bird at all. Let's get a little bit of a down angle here. Another thing that's kind of nice about flying in 70 millimeter, especially if you're in open space, is that you do not have to be close to objects to reach out and touch it. So you can get very close in a very short period of time. Look at that out there. That's very pretty. Every once in a while we'll have some sun poking through. So I'm going to get some altitude. Maybe we'll get a little bit of sun peeking through. And we are just hauling butt. This is 30 miles an hour. And I'd like to get a shot down into Washington Fields area. And we'll get to the top and get some shots and head on back. So we're going to get on next to Shinob Kibe here, get a shot of Washington. This trail's down below here. There we go. Get the river down there. And let's do a little bit of getting that weather. Let's go into our target here. And we'll get the get over the top here, get up on the trail. You can see the trail right there in Shinob Kibe. This very iconic landmark, and we'll head on back. We should be approaching what they call the arrow, and you'll see the arrow here in just a second. Right there, there's the arrow. And stop right there. Change my focal length. I'm going to go ahead and do in real time right there. All right, let's do a little bit of a circle, and we're going to head on back. Just do a little bit of a pan. We're at probably 50 feet. Shinob Kibe is approximately 600 feet above ground level from its base. Very beautiful today. Just a gorgeous thing to reach from a flight standpoint. And we're just going to head on back. And of course, as we head back, we are going to reduce our altitude. Look at the city of Washington. This is about as clear a view as I've ever had of it. The Mavic Pro has been up here, original Mavic Pro. We can go and give you a view down from above. There we go. It's not the most beautiful thing at certain times, and sometimes it is. So we'll start heading down. And we'll follow the trail down. One thing I am noticing with the DJI is that it will, at times, kind of cut lower from a distance. And I am on my way back. All right. Get this mountain as we come back. And we're on the way back. All right, heading back. So pretty out. Just gorgeous today. Let's go over to the park and as we head back, we'll run over the park, hit the pond. Hopefully our Pocket 2 will make it the entire way. There we go. Altitude wise, it's perfect for this flight. It's absolutely perfect. I can't drop much lower than where I'm at. Ooh, look at the reflection in the pond there. That is pretty. I'm gonna switch over to 70 mil. I probably won't catch the clouds now. Let's go back out. And we'll get, there we go. Let's get some video. Oh man, it's getting good here. Let's get some video. Hit it. There, we got here, you know, we got the sun poking through. See if I can get the, there we go. All right. Still bring it home. Let's pull back on the way home. I do get a little bit of shakiness on the way home. The RC does not work as well. It's probably because of my altitude. I do have a little bit of a building obstruction, but it's still doing a pretty good job. This is the place. This is the direction to look as far as, you know, from my standpoint. I've got to make sure I've got a clear area. But from the drone standpoint, from its video standpoint, we are good. Especially at the altitude we're at. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna turn around and bring it home, bring it in land. That's the way I like it. Peaceful and uneventful. There's the big bird coming in. Quiet. Hopefully you'll hear it quiet too. Here we go, bring it over here a little bit. Doesn't want to get close. It's going to detect all kinds of stuff. There it is. All right. Dead random. And the Mavic 3 Pro with the Master Airscrew stealth props. All right. And we've got what, 50% battery left. You gotta love it. This thing just flies for days.